For your safety and security, see.
Yeah, there normally is only not like get out of the system.
Specific subject knowledge.
Yeah, just put those to one side.
You've seen like Arabic language?
I want to take a quick moment to thank the Bloomsbury Study School series for sponsoring today's video. For any of you that has some uni-related New Year's resolutions, the Bloomsbury Study School series will have a book for you. Whether you want to improve academic skills, employability, or well-being. This series has been around for 25 years and is regularly reviewed by learning professionals and lecturers, so you can definitely rely on the content. Let me quickly show you my favorite parts about this study skills handbook. So first off, for well-being, in this book we have some good strategies to deal with stress and to also analyze your own triggers, which I find really helpful, especially because university is such a new experience for all of us. For employability, I think this book does a really good job in helping you identify your own skills and also teaching you how to convert these into job experiences or internship applications, whatever it might be. And then lastly, for academics, I especially like the section about essay writing. It really helps you a lot, even just with coming up with your own essay titles and structuring it from beginning to end. You can buy this book and any other book from the Bloomsbury Study Skills series on their website and in any other bookshops. On the website you can also use my code Jula20 to get 20% off.